How do you defend that?
Well, you have to look at the facts and circumstances surrounding why he gave those statements at the time that he gave those statements. But again, I haven't reviewed those statements in detail. I haven't reviewed the other evidence, but I believe there's a motive, an incentive on why somebody would make a statement like that, even though it may not be true. Big case. I mean, it's 27 years in the making, so I understand there's about 600 pages of grand jury transcripts, and you can imagine the amount of evidence and potentially impeachment evidence that comes along with all these witnesses that are going to come out of the woodworks. Well, he's happy I was there today, and he's happy that shortly I can confirm his counsel if it gets finalized and that we can bring a motion for bail so he can be released. And with respect to his medical condition, I heard the same things. I haven't reviewed any medical records yet, so I can't comment on that, but apparently he did have colon cancer shortly before he gave those statements. But just based on the reports, I believe when I see these statements, which are extrajudicial statements, that there are reasons on why people say things. But as everybody here knows, that you have to corroborate those statements. And if you don't have a car, if you don't have a gun, you don't have witnesses to corroborate what Mr. Davis said under those circumstances, I believe there's an obvious defense to that on why he made those statements and a motive to make those statements.